Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy, Husky? You are a good boy. You are a good boy, aren't you? Aren't you? Yes, you are. Are you a good boy? Are you? You're mama's boy. Yes, you are. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Get ready for today's look because it is going to be a dope makeup tutorial. Help me out by subscribing to my channel and remember, thumbs up. See you guys in a bit. So to start off, I will be priming using the Farsali Skin Tone Blur. It feels very great on the skin. I have a lot of redness and I feel that it helps all that redness go away before applying my foundation. Since for foundation, I will be using the Urban Decay All-Nighter. This is a Morphe Y6. I also use a beauty blender. I really don't mind. I like to use both. But today I decided to use the Morphe Y6. Don't forget those ears. Going down towards my neck. Okay, so I'm all done with my foundation. So now I will be applying the concealer and I will be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Which, you guys, is almost finishing. I am going to have to go online and order it because the Sephora over here in Puerto Rico does not have it. That's how much I love it. Blending that out using a beauty blender. So just so you guys can get to know me a little bit, I am in the process of letting my hair grow out. I used to have it under my waist, but my pregnancy just made me chop it all off. I mean, that was just crazy. Everyone was like, don't do it, don't do it. But I just did not want to brush my hair. I didn't feel like brushing it. I didn't feel like just doing anything with myself. Makeup, you guys, no makeup at all during my pregnancy. I think the only time that I did makeup was on my baby shower, literally. I don't know, I guess this is my first child and that's how this pregnancy went for me, but it's in the process of growing, so you guys will be with me during that process. I can't wait for it to grow out and keep showing you guys different looks and just for you guys to get to know me. And to set my concealer, I will be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. And letting that sit for a while. Now I will be setting my face using the MAC Studio Fix. Woo. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera. You guys witness the before and get ready for the after. So I am done with my brows, but I wanted to show you guys my Puerto Rican cuisine. This is yellow rice with pigeon beans, I believe that's how you say it in English. It's called gandules in Spanish, followed by some potato salad and some garlic chicken breast and a little piece of bread. Oh my God, you guys, this is my all-time favorite. And like I always say, there is nothing better than a home-cooked meal. So, buen provecho. Bon appetit, you guys. Be right back. That was delicious. I mean, finger-licking good. I love a home-cooked meal, especially from these hands. Anyways, now I'm going to fry my lid using the MAC paint pot in soft ochre. So today, I feel like playing around with my Morphe 35S palette. And like I told you, it is gonna be a dope makeup tutorial. So for the crease, I will be going in with this light pink shade. Using this fuchsia color, I will be going right on top of that light pink shade. Using this dark black matte shade, I will be creating my outer V. For today's look, I am going to be doing a half cut crease. I will be using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer to cut the crease. So for the inner corner, I will be using this white matte shade. If you see that this line right here starts to crease, just take the end of any brush that you might have, a thin one, and all you have to do is just dab it out a little bit, just softly, okay? Softly dab it until you diffuse it and erase the line. Now using that light pink shade once again, I will be doing the center of the cut crease. And with Vermeer from the Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, I will be going all the way into my inner corner just to highlight. And I think that would give this like a dope kind of look. This white eyeliner, it's a matte liner from Sephora. And since that pencil doesn't go like all the way in, I will just be grabbing this NYX white liquid liner and just finish off just the inner corner there. Looking kind of dope, isn't it? So now I will be lining my under eye with the fuchsia and the black colors from the palette. So I did my lashes, liner, and mascara off camera and went ahead and finished this eye out. So now I will be going in with the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. And I will be going on top of the crease, on top of the half cut crease, right here. Now that is looking glamorous. So I'm going to go ahead under my brow bone, and with the Vermeer, I will be highlighting. I am so happy with this look. It is looking dope, you guys. Can't wait to finish it off. So now I'm just gonna wipe away the translucent powder from Laura Mercier, and I am going to bronze. And for bronzer, I will be using the Hula bronzer from Benefit Cosmetics. Going in with blush, it is the Tarte Fearless Blush. Now for highlighter, I am going to use the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm gonna go ahead and use Moonstone for highlighter. Going all in, looking dope. That. Ooh, that is looking nice. Just put some here, center of the nose. Center of the forehead. Cupid's bow. Look at that highlight. It is popping right about now. So this is a song that inspired this makeup tutorial, you guys. Come on, Ski. Yeah. And it's magic. Like an old time movie. Oh yeah. You guys, remember to subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. And remember, your inner beauty is what truly reflects your outer beauty. Mwah. See you guys in the next one.
Just go and listen, little